Hello students. Now we will discuss another example of linear transformation and matrices. Let P3 be the vector space of all real polynomial of degree less than equal to 3 and the linear map T P3 to P3 is defined by T of 0y is equal to 2 d square 0y minus 5 d of 0y minus 8 0y for all 0y belongs to P3, where d 0y and d square 0y denotes the first and second order derivative of 0y. Find the matrix of T relative to a basis where b is equal to 1 y square and y cube. How to solve this? First of all, we have to apply the element of the basis on T. The first element of the basis is 1. If we apply 1 on T, that means 2d square of 1 minus 5 d of 1 minus 8 of 1. Double time derivative of 1, that is 0. Single time derivative of 1, that is 0, minus 8. So that becomes minus 8. Now we have to write minus 8 in the linear combination of element of basis. That means we have to write minus 8 in the linear combination of 1y square y cube. That is minus 8 into 1 plus 0 into y plus 0 into y square plus 0 into y cube. Now we have to apply another element of basis on T, that is T of y, that is equal to 2 d square of y minus 5 d of y minus 8 of y, that is equal to second time derivative of y, that is 0, minus 5 single time derivative of y, that is 1, minus 8y, that becomes minus 5 minus 8y. Now we have to write this as a linear combination of b. That means minus 5 into 1 plus minus 5 into y plus 0 into y square plus 0 into y cube. Now we have to apply another element of b on t, that is t of y square. That becomes 2d square of y square minus 5 of d 5d of y square minus 8y square. Second time derivative of y, that is 2 minus 5 single time derivative of y square, that is 2y minus 8y square, that is equal to 4 minus 10y minus 8y square. Now after this we have to apply another element of b on t, that means t of y cube, that is equal to 2d square of y cube minus 5d of y cube minus 8 of y cube, that is equal to second time derivative of y cube, that is equal to 6y minus 5 single time derivative of y cube, that is 3y square minus 8y cube, that becomes 12y minus 15y square minus 8y cube. Now we have to write this as a linear combination of b, that is equal to 0 into 1 plus 12 into y plus minus 15 into y square plus minus 8 into y cube. So the matrix with respect to basis B is we have to write the coefficient of 1 y square and y cube, that is minus 8 0 0 0, and second one is that is -5 -8 0 0, and third one is 4 4 -10 -8 0, and last 0 12 -15 -8 transpose, that is equal to -8 0 0 0 -5 -8 0 0 0 0 -8 -15, that is 0 0 -5 -8 0 0, sorry, 4 -10 -8 0 0 12 -15 -8. So this complete your example number 2. Now another example is if matrix of a linear transformation R cube related to the basis is this, find a linear transformation. So here we have to find a linear transformation. So how to find a linear transformation, that we have to see. Now for this, let us take this matrix, that is 0 1 -1 1 0 -1 1 -1 0. We know that this is a coefficient matrix with the transpose. This is a coefficient matrix of basis elements. This is a coefficient matrix of basis with transpose. So we have to firstly transpose of this matrix, that is 0 1 1 1 0 -1 and -1 -1 0. Okay, now we have to apply t on first element of the basis, that is 1 0 0, that is equal to first row coefficient 0 into 1 0 0 plus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1, and t of second element of the basis, that is 0 1 0. We can write this 1 1 0 0 plus 0 0 1 0 plus minus 1 0 0 1. Now we have to apply third element of the basis, that is 0 0 1, and the coefficient we have to take third row 1 1 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0 plus 0 0 0 1. So that becomes t of 1 0 0 becomes, that is 0 1 minus 1. T of 0 1 0 becomes, first element is 1, second is 0, and third is -1. T of 0 0 1 becomes, first element is 1, second element is -1, and third is 0. So we have find t of 1 0 0, t of 0 1 0, and t of 0 0 1. Now after this, we have to find the linear transformation. We know that x, y, z can be written as in the linear combination of this. How? Let x, y, z, that is x 1 0 0 plus 0 y 0 1 0 plus z 0 0 1. Given t is a linear transformation. So यहाँ से हम t अप्लाई करेंगे दोनों तरफ, t of x y z, that is equal to, if we apply t, then the by the definition of linear transformation x bar आ जाएगा, x टी ऑफ 1 0 0, यहाँ से y बाहर आ जाएगा टी ऑफ 0 1 0, और यहाँ से हमारे पास z बाहर आ जाएगा 0 0 1, और you will get t of 1 0 0, t of 1 0 0 that is 0 1 minus 1, so 0 1 minus 1 plus y, t of 0 1 0 that is equal to 1 0 minus 1 and plus z t of 0 0 1 that is equal to 1 minus 1 0, so that becomes, यहाँ से 0 आ गया, यहाँ से फर्स्ट एलिमेंट y प्लस z, यहाँ से सेकंड एलिमेंट x आ गया, यहाँ से माइनस z आ गया, यहाँ से माइनस x आ गया, यहाँ से माइनस y आ गया, विच इज़ अ रिक्वायर्ड लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. ओके बच्चे, नाउ मूव टू अनदर एग्जांपल, that is let V of R be a vector space of all 2 cross 2 matrices and T be a linear operator such that T of V is equal to M of V, where V is equal to V of R and M is equal to 1 2 3 4. हमने मैट्रिक्स फाइंड आउट करना है, हमें बेस ये वाला गिवन है, सो डैट इज़ आल्सो वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्टली जो बेसिस के एलिमेंट हैं उसको टी पे अप्लाई करो. बेसिस का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट क्या है? टी 1 0 0 0. आउटपुट क्या आएगी? m इंटू वी, m इंटू वी. वी की जगह पे हमने क्या रखा है? 1 0 0 0. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ m, डैट इज़ 1 2 3 4 and 1 0 0 0. After multiply you will get, that is 1 3 0 0. Now apply second element on the of the basis on t, that is equal to similarly m into 0 1 0 0, and that becomes, that वो हमारे पास आ जाएगा, वो हमारे पास आएगा, that is equal to, what is the value of m? 1 2 3 4, that is 0 1 0 0, that is equal to, वो हमारे पास आ जाएगा, that is मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0 0, that is 1 and that is 3. Now apply third element of the basis on t, that is 0 0 1 0, that is also becomes m into 0 0 1 0. What is m? 1 2 3 4, and that is 0 0 1 0. After multiply you will get 2 and that is 4 0 0. In the last we have to apply fourth element on the basis, that is 0 0 0 1, that becomes m into 0 0 0 1, that means 1 2 3 4, that is 0 0 0 1, that is equal to 0 0 2 4. So now if we apply t of 1 0 0 0, हमने t के ऊपर 1 0 0 0 जब अप्लाई किया तो हमारे पास आउटपुट आई थी 1 3 3 1 0 3 0. नाउ हमने अभी इसको बेसिस के एलिमेंट के लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन में लिखना है. व्हाट इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ बेसिस? दैट इज, दीज आर द एलिमेंट ऑफ द बेसिस. सो हमने अब इस एलिमेंट को इसके लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन में लिखना है. कैसे लिखेंगे? दैट इज 1 1 0 0 0 प्लस प्लस हमारे पास 0 0 1 0 0 प्लस 3 0 0 1 0 प्लस प्लस हमारे पास जो बचेगा डैट इज़ 0 0 0 0 1. सो हमारा जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट था 1 0 0 0, वो इन चारों के लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन में लिखा गया. नाउ वी मूव फर्दर. टी का जो हमारे पास सेकंड एलिमेंट था, सेकंड एलिमेंट टी के ऊपर जब हमने 0 1 0 0 अप्लाई किया था तो हमारे पास की क्या आउटपुट आई थी? हमारे पास जो आउटपुट आई थी डैट इज़ 0 0 1 3 0 0 1 3. अभी हमने इसको बेसिस के एलिमेंट के लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन में लिखना है. सो डैट इज़ 0 1 0 0 0, डैट इज़ 1 0 1 0 0, and the third element is 0 0 0 1 0, and the fourth element is 3 0 0 0 1. ओके, आफ्टर डैट टी के ऊपर हमने जब थर्ड एलिमेंट अप्लाई किया था, डैट इज टी ऑफ 0 0 1 0, तो हमारे पास आउटपुट कितनी आई थी? हमारे पास आउटपुट आई थी 2 4 0 0, 2 4 0 0. अभी हमने इसको बेसिस के एलिमेंट के लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन में लिखना है, तो कैसे लिखा जाएगा? 2 0 0 0 प्लस 0 0 1 0 0 प्लस 4 0 0 1 0 प्लस 0 0 0 0 1. In the last we have to write 0 0 0 1. जब हमने टी के ऊपर ये अप्लाई किया था 0 0 0 1, तो हमारे पास आउटपुट आई थी, आउटपुट हमारे पास आई थी 0 0 2 4, 0 0 2 4. अभी हमने इसको बेसिस के एलिमेंट के लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन में लिखना है, तो कैसे लिखेंगे? 0 1 0 0 0 प्लस 2 0 1 0 0 प्लस 0 0 0 1 0 प्लस 4 0 0 0 1. सो मैट्रिक्स हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? जो कोफिशेंट होंगे वो हमारे पास मैट्रिक्स आ जाएंगे. तो कोफिशेंट जब हमने बेसिस का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट अप्लाई किया था तो हमारे पास कोफिशेंट क्या बनेंगे? 1 0 3 0. सो 1 0 3 0. सिमिलरली जब सेकेंड अप्लाई किया तो क्या बनेगा? क्या बना था? कोफिशेंट क्या बनेंगे? 0 1 0 3. थर्ड अप्लाई करके क्या बनेगा? 2 0 4 0. एंड इन द लास्ट अप्लाई करके क्या बनेगा? 0 2 0 4. कोफिशेंट ये वाले बनेंगे. अभी हमने इसका क्या लेना है? ट्रांसपोज. सो द मैट्रिक्स बिकम्स 1 0 3 0 0 1 0 3 2 0 4 0 and 0 2 0 4. So this is the required matrix. Okay, thank you.